If you want to grow your company page on LinkedIn and attract more followers to see and engage with the great content that you post, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Deborah Ashley, the LinkedIn Black Belt, and in today's video walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to grow your followers on your company page. All right, so the first thing that we want to do is we want to go directly to our company page on LinkedIn. We can do that several ways. We can hit our company page right here, or we can type in our company page. Well, the wonderful thing that I love about how LinkedIn has set this up, you get to invite your followers for free on LinkedIn. In other words, you get 250 credits available to invite followers. What will happen is you get the 250 credits, and those can easily run out in 2 or 3 days if you're really getting to work. However, LinkedIn wants you to be very intentional about who you're inviting to make sure they're actually interested in what you have to offer. So as everyone starts to accept, they actually replenish those credits. So if you invite 250 people or your connections, because it can only be your first connections, if you invite 250 of your connections to follow you this month in a 30-day period, and 250 people connect and accept your connection over the next 7 days, it replenishes itself. So remember, you want to be very strategic about it. So all you're going to do is you're going to invite your connections here, and this is your main company page. What I tend to do is there's 2 things that I like to do, and as you can see, my credit refills May 1st. So April 1st is when I got my 250 credits. So what I can do, you can either search by location. So let's say I want to connect with business consultants who are in the New York City metro area. I want them to see my content because the content that I post on my company page is specifically designed to help them solve their problems. So we're going to hit New York City first, show results. So remember, these are all of my first connections. And then I want to go through, like I mentioned before, and I'll show you a few different things, but I'll go right back to my specific ask, which is management consultants in the New York City area. However, I can also look by company. So if I want to hit people who work or are affiliated with American Marketing Association or Amazon, I can select those 2. I won't do that right now. You can also select based on the school that you went to. You can select people who went to specific schools. I mean, how amazing is this, right? Comment below, by the way, what school did you go to, or what school will you be targeting when you're doing this for yourself? All right, so industry is what I'm really focused on right now because I mentioned that I want to hit the people in the management consultant space in the New York City area. So that's my only focus. I'm hitting management consultants or consultant and show results. And so now you'll see all the people who are in the New York City metro area who are under that management consultant space on their industry. And all you have to do is hit the check mark, and you can go all the way down. Like I mentioned, we have 104 left, but we're being very intentional about who we're connecting with. And then you're just going to invite them. So when you invite all 5, and I'll just do a few. I'm very strategic about this. So I'll just do 5, and then I'm inviting 3. And then LinkedIn loves to tell you what to do. So they say next, increase your invite acceptance rate by posting. But I say increase your invite acceptance rate by making sure you're very intentional about who you connect with. All right? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want any more free content about LinkedIn marketing or personal branding, go ahead and hit that playlist and you'll get access to all of my free content. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.